Kcse CRE Paper 1, 2006-2002 Analysis. So this paper also has 6 questions. You choose your best 5 and respond to them. Each question has got 20 marks. So 206, question A, give reasons why Christians read the Bible. Outline the difference in the 2 accounts of the creation Genesis. Give reasons why the Bible is referred to as a library. From the Genesis stories creation, outline 7 teachings about human beings. So basically from paper 1, question 1 is dealing with form 1 work. You can see that about the Bible, the versions of the Bible, the translation of the Bible, the books that are prophetic, such kind of things, traditional African communities, breaking the taboos. So those are the things you expect in question 1, paper 1. So as you can look at it, let us look at the last one, 2022. State the difference in the 2 accounts of the creation in Genesis. So when you read all these questions from 206 and 222, you will realize that this question has been repeated several times. The accounts of creation, the 2 accounts, the difference between the 2 accounts of creation. So what that tells you is that you need to prepare well. Historical books, like you can see here, historical books, prophetic books. Identify the 5 poetic books in the Bible. You can see simple marks there. Describe 7 ways in which Christians use the Bible to spread the gospel today. You see that such kind of questions. Now you can prepare the answers for them. Question 2. State the promises that God made to Abraham, the covenant to Abraham, Exodus, Abraham, Moses. So it seems that question 2 is about the Abraham, Genesis, the Sinai covenant. Narrated Abraham's attempt to sacrifice his son Isaac. So you can look at that and you will be able to get the questions. Describe the covenant making ceremony between God and Israel in Mount Sinai. Identify 7 ways in which the Israelites worshipped God while in the wilderness. Give 7 reasons why some Christians find it difficult to serve God. So that is last year. So please look at these questions. Try to find the right answers. The marking scheme, actually, you don't need even to buy from anybody. The marking scheme, you just Google 2022 paper 2 CRE marking scheme, and the marking scheme, you will download it. So you don't need to buy from anybody. If you want paper 1 marking scheme 2017, you just Google Kcse 2017 paper 1 CRE marking scheme. You get the answers there. So you don't need to buy from anybody. Question 3. Give reasons why Israel's demand for the king. Describe the nature of the Canaanite region. So look at the questions, find the answers, see those questions that are repeated regularly. You can now check by yourself because this person has done the analysis for you. So yours is to analyze and see the questions that are being repeated several times. And then you will be able to predict for yourself what you expect in the year and the next Kcse. I said I will provide this PDF on the link in the description, so you don't need to worry if I'm going very fast. Number 4, explain the role of the prophets in the Holy Testament. So you can see the questions. The questions has been outlined very clear there. Prophets. So it is like this question is talking about prophets. Yeah, you see question A number 4, it is about the prophets. There's no, look at the first one, the second is prophets. So I don't know why you should fail in CRE when you have this kind of analysis done for you. So please make use of it, and it will help you. Identify the characteristics of true prophets. So it's like this question A, number 4, is about the prophets. Yeah. And then number 5, outline the problems that Nehemiah encountered in the ruling in Jerusalem. It is about the buying of prophet Jeremiah. Question 5 is about Jeremiah, A and B. Actually, you can now see it is talking about prophets Amos, prophet Jeremiah, Amos, Jeremiah. Look at it. That is why this analysis was done, so that you can see that the questions are being repeated. Jeremiah, Jeremiah, Jeremiah. You can see Nehemiah here. So 2022, it was talking about Jeremiah. You see, prophet of God, Jeremiah. You see, it is Jeremiah. So if you know that question 5, number 1, A, and question 5A is talking about Jeremiah, mbona usisome Jeremiah? Jameni. Naona mimi sikufanya CRE, lakini it seems that CRE was very simple and easy to pass. You can see by yourself. Number 6, explain the importance of ritual performed during naming ceremony of traditional African community. So look at the community, the word community in this question, A, B, C. Everywhere is African community. Look at it. Now, why should you fail? You can choose now. Question 6 is talking about African traditional society community. Prepare very well on that. So you are sure that number 6, I will get the 20 marks. Kwa sababu A, B, C is talking about sacrifices, traditional African community. Kwa nini sasa mtu unaanguka, sincerely speaking? Kwa hivyo, these questions are meant to help you know the questions where they will be set from. State the importance of initiation in traditional African community. Hiyo ni ya last year. Identify 6 moral values prophets people acquire during initiation ceremonies in traditional African communities. Outline the changes that have taken place in the rite of initiation in Kenya today. So please, question 6, paper 1, is about African community, and I think that is the topic is in form 4. Now I'm just thinking, so you know better. For those who are doing CRE, you know where the topic is found. So prepare well. I will provide a PDF of this. You can download it and use it well. Thank you, very important.